Hey guys, what's happening? How to find link in bio in Instagram. So simply go ahead and open up your Instagram. Click your profile icon at the bottom right. And you can just go ahead and click edit profile, right? You can see right here links, right? And I can add external links, right? So I'm gonna add a link, let's say for example, my channel's link, right? Just for example. So I'm gonna click you at the bottom. I'm gonna share my page. I'm gonna click the three dots, top right, click share right here, copy link. I'm gonna go back to Instagram, right? So I'm gonna enter the link, I'm gonna say channel. Hit done. As you can see, this is my bio link. So simply just go ahead and open up the link. And now you're gonna see the channel, right? So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.